Today we are going to unbox a tripod with ring light. So this is the packing that I received the tripod. Now just let's take out the ring light. This is the LED ring light. It's covered in plastic, and we also have that mobile phone holder. Let's just take out the plastic, and that is the ring light. This is a 15-volt LED light, and we also have the USB cable along with the light so that we can switch it on. And here are the controls for the light, and here is the ring light holder. That's all we got in the box. Now let's just take off this packing and take out the tripod from this box. Now that we have the box is clear, we don't get any manual or anything like that. I'm just taking out the tripod. This is how it looks, and we'll just let's just try to expand the legs from the sideways, and just like that, and just loosen the screw so that we can push that rod downwards. And to keep that in locked position, please screw that in to restrict the movement. Once that's locked in, we can expand the top portion like this, which is also locked with a screw mechanism, as you can see. And there is that portion can also be extended. It also has that screw mechanism. That is the top head that we connect the ring light to. It is also have the same kind of screw mechanism that we saw earlier. We just need to rotate that disc to keep that intact. Just rotate in the direction and it will lock into position. Now it's locked. Now we can actually that enables the movement of that 360-degree rotating head. Just for the height comparison, I am 5'6" and it's around 6.2 inches tall when it's fully expanded. Now I will show you how to attach the LED ring light to this tripod stand. For that, just take that ball bearing head and connect it like this. Just rotate it and it will get locked into the position. So because of this ball bearing mechanism, you can move it into any direction you want. You get the flexibility of having it in any direction you want. If you want, you can just use this as a lighting source when taking videos without having that mobile mount inside. So it can be used as a light also, according to your convenience. So I will just show you now how to use this universal mobile holder onto this tripod. This universal mobile holder also has that 360-degree head mechanism which gives us even more control over the direction, and it comes with this type of mechanism to hold the phone in place. We need to insert this into this screw section like this. Just rotate it so that it can get into the position. It is flexible, so you can practically think of any position that you want your mobile or video recording device to be held. You can get that because of this 360-degree holding mechanism. Now to keep your phone, just put the clip like that, and the phone you can keep it like that. Okay, and also you can rotate it into any direction you want. That's how you keep the ring light for recording. It's actually, and to power on, just for this example I am using a power bank and I am connecting it to the USB cable.
These are the three buttons. One is for power button and reduce brightness, change the color, and to increase the brightness. So let's see how to power on.
So we will just switch the power button to see how the light is on, and I am just going to show you the press the brightness button. That's a plus sign indicates that it will increase the brightness. By pressing it, as you can see, the brightness is getting increased, and you can dim the light by pressing the minus button. There are like three or four levels of brightness you can adjust using this buttons, and that's how it is controlled using the button. And that's the brightness button. So to just show you how bright the light actually is, I'll take this light into a darker room and will show you how it is. And this is button is to change the light color. There are three color modes with this light. This is the warm yellow, and there is white light, white yellow, and this is the different modes of color that is available with this tripod. This tripod is made of some kind of metal. It's not plastic, and it's around 300 grams the total weight, and the height can be around 6.6 foot when it's fully stretched, and the flexibility allows you to get any direction you want. So to sum it up, I really like the product, and the light is of not really high quality. It's so please be very careful when handling that bulb. Don't give too much pressure there. Just if you can avoid touching the light portion, please do so. Otherwise I really enjoyed the product, and if you like the video, please like, share, and if you have any doubt, please comment. And if you like to buy this product, I will include a link in the description. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.